Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. In today's video, I'm going to draw different vehicles which we use for different purposes. Let's first proceed with the police car. Now let's color the police car using blue color. Now let's color the wheel using black color, and this is looking so beautiful. Now let's proceed with another vehicle, which is a fire truck. When there is an emergency, if any fire incident takes place, so this fire truck comes and extinguishes fire and relieve people. So this is ready. Now let's proceed with another vehicle, which is an ice cream van. So this ice cream van, let's color it with pink color, and I have used orange, yellow, green and blue color for this. Now let's proceed with another vehicle, which is a school bus. School children go using this school bus. Now let's color this school bus using yellow and blue color. And this is looking so beautiful, isn't it? Now let's proceed with another vehicle. Here I am going to draw an excavator. If there is any construction work happening on road, so this excavator we use. So now let's color this using yellow, blue, orange color. Now let's proceed with another vehicle. It is an air transport. It is a helicopter. Now let's color this helicopter using yellow, orange and blue color. Wonderful. Now let's proceed with another means of transport. If you want to go to space, which transport you will use? Yes, this is a rocket. Now let's color the rocket using blue, orange and yellow color. Now let's proceed with another vehicle, which is the most eco-friendly vehicle. Yes, this is a bicycle. So here I have drawn this bicycle which has two wheels. Now let's color the wheels using yellow color, and now let's use blue color, and for the seat I have used brown color. Now let's proceed with another means of transport. This is an auto. This is a public transport. Everyone can use auto for going to some places. Now let's color this auto using green, black and yellow color. I have used black color for the wheels. Now let's proceed with another vehicle. Here I'm going to draw an excavator. Okay, so this is looking so beautiful. Now let's color it using orange, black. This is looking so beautiful, isn't it?